Hey guys, Mr. Hidal here back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a boot up speed test with my Acer Nitro 5. Don't know the model number, but it'll be added on the title anyway, so you'll see it. It's i7-9750H, 8 gigs of RAM. It's pretty much stock at the moment. Let's have a look here. This has got a Micron 2200 M.2 drive in, so let's see how fast it is. Got the stopwatch ready, as you can see. Where should I leave the stopwatch? So I'm going to record it from when we actually hit the sign. Oh no, I'll leave it at the bottom. Okay, ready. At the same time I'm going to press these two. I'm going to be ready with this as well. Took 10.22 seconds, which is pretty decent, but I'm pretty sure we can do better than that. Let me just try again. And shut it down quickly. So 10.22. Is it fully shut off? Yep. Okay, let me try that again. 1 second. It's gonna be hard to do. Let me put this a bit closer. Oh shit, I started that accidentally. Oh. Okay, ready again. Time to beat is 10.2 seconds. It did say 9.6, but I couldn't press in time. So 9.6 is the best time at the moment. So we'll see if the change in the hard M.2 to Samsung one makes any faster. But this is already rapid already, so I'm happy with that. So anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing more computer videos for you guys as well, so enjoy them, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.